I found.
Don't touch him, man. He'll kill you. How long till the boss gets here?
He'll be here.
Riley said he saw the bat. Is he here too?
Arkham City. Why would he come here? You guys just need to chill the hell out.
Batman!
What the hell?
Sorry to disappoint you, boys. It's just little old me.
You're gonna die! We wanna see what's under that pretty little costume.
Gonna rip you apart! You gonna be out for me?
Now that they're all taken care of, it's time to get what I came for out of that safe. Try and get one over on me, will you, Harv? I don't think so.
Get your filthy paws off that now.
Wake up, Mr. Wayne. We have much to discuss.
Strange. You won't get away with this.
I already have.
This is Vicky Vale, reporting live from Arkham City, the controversial super prison built right here in the heart of Gotham. In a few moments, Bruce Wayne will be live on stage to explain his sudden interest in Gotham politics. The infamous Playboy millionaire has never been one to...
Billionaire, Vicky. Millionaires are so last year.
I assumed that you thought yourself untouchable. Well, as you can see, no one is untouchable.
Thank you! Thank you, Gotham! Imprisoned behind these walls, gang leaders are fighting a bloody war in the middle of our once great city. Every inmate from Arkham Asylum and Blackgate Prison has been relocated to this facility. How can this be safe for the people of Gotham? Shut Arkham City down. It's out of control.
Shut it down. By the end of tonight, I will be a hero. Just like you. Batman.
Today, I'm starting the campaign to close Arkham City and make Gotham safe again. Remember, Wayne is the priority target. Surround him!
Hands in the air, Wayne. We have Wayne.
Target secured.
I feel I should thank you. Capturing Bruce Wayne is so much easier than Batman. And now that we have you, Protocol 10 is ready to begin. It will be my legacy, a monument to your failure. And if you try to stop me, I guarantee everyone will know your secret.
You are mine, new inmates. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Hugo.
What the hell are you doing? You think we wouldn't hear you?
Arkham City's facility. Up until this point, you have shown society as yourself. From this moment on, you are no longer part of the society that you have.
Welcome to Arkham City, Wayne.
You have been separated from your good people.
You're gonna be my bitch,
Actions that resulted in
On the
being
ground,
sent here.
now! What are you waiting for, Wayne? Line A, move!
No one arrests Black.
Line A.
No one.
Sionis.
Get me straight.
While
Put
in
the
my
chair
house,
down.
You will follow the rules of Arkham City to the letter. These rules ensure your safety.
Kill you.
Rule 1. Do not approach the security walls surrounding
Wait!
the facility.
You're in line A. Move it, boy.
Wait. I hear penguins put a price on you.
You two get out of the way. Wayne,
work
get
for
your
the
ass
Penguin?
up here!
All prisoners
did.
must
What's it to
surrender
you?
themselves.
I hate them.
When requested.
Bruce Wayne.
True surrender will
You're
be
on
met
my
by a
list.
free force,
Smash him in the face.
by a level
Break it up,
9
ladies.
Bang.
psychiatric program. Rule 3.
Move up. Says break it up. Now.
Lower your weapons. Mr. Wayne will not be any trouble. Will you, Mr. Wayne? The cuffs can stay on. We don't want to make things too easy, do we?
Close the doors. Prepare for session.
I can't believe I'm gonna die here.
Bruce Wayne? Great. Here I was reporting on your crummy press conference, and now here we both are. I guess that'll teach you to get involved in politics, won't it?
Listen to me carefully. When they open the door, do not panic. Stay close to me.
Do you think I'm taking advice from some guy who's never even been in a fight?
Stay calm. They're trying to scare us.
Sorry, man. It's every man for himself.
Just the beginning.
Wait, help me!
On your feet, Ryder. I said get up.
Well, look who it is. Welcome here, Brucey.
19
Wakey, wakey, Wayne. Oh, what's up? Do you need me to call you butler?
Cobblepot.
Oh, you remember me? I'm touched. Your family destroyed mine, Wayne. This, well, let's just call this good old-fashioned revenge. Ah! Get him! Ah! Ah!
I need to get to higher ground and contact Alfred. Alfred, have you got my location?
Only just, sir. There's more interference than usual.
I need an immediate drop on the roof of the Ace Chemicals building. I'm on my way there now.
Of course. I watched your incarceration on the evening news. Was getting yourself arrested a part of your plan all along?
Not exactly. Although I did get some one-on-one time with Hugo Strange.
And how was that?
Not good. He knows that Bruce Wayne is Batman. He also told me that something called Protocol 10 will make him famous. I can't leave Arkham City until I find out what it is.
Did it arrive, sir?
Right on time. Alfred, I took an encryption key from a Tiger Guard. I'm going to hack into their communications.
All units, this is Air Tiger 4. We have confirmation that prisoner 4011 is in the courthouse. I repeat, Catwoman is in the courthouse.
Is she in danger?
Affirmative. Target is being held by Dent. We believe he intends to kill her. How should we proceed?
Stand down. Let Two-Face have his fun.
Understood.
That doesn't sound good.
No, it does not. Mr. Dent's predilection for all things binary may not bode well for Miss Kyle.
If there's one person in Arkham City who knows what's really going on, it's her. I need to find Catwoman now.
How come?
The only way to get by in this place is to get ourselves some respect. Be here. That's how we get respect. Show them all that we do things. We should be fair, though. This is a place of justice, after all. Screw justice. Kill her, and they'll all fear us.
Bring out the defendant!
You certainly know how to keep a girl hanging, Harv. Hey, have you had some work done?
That's...
Order in the court! Order! Order!
Taking out the thug with the gun is the key. Without him, the rest of the room won't be a problem.
Welcome, people of Arkham City. It's good to see so many new faces in the crowd. Fresh faces for the gang. Today we present each of you with an exciting new opportunity. 2 opportunities. To join with us to create a new force in Arkham.
Where the hell is he?
Our friend Batman has arrived. Grab him and cut him in 2.
I knew you were too chicken to come down.
You're not welcome in my court,
You
Batman.
scared or something?
Hide up there, all you like.
Damn it! Hold still while I pass judgment. Stay still, Batman. This is my court!
Objection! Overruled. Heads or tails, kitty cat?
Which one lets me out of here alive?
Not this one. Time to die.
I vote for a stay of execution. No gun harm? Shame. This is gonna hurt.
2 guns, bitch!
And I thought it was cats who have 9 lives. How's it hanging, Harv?
I need to locate where the bullet entered the court and where it impacted.
If we don't get you, Joker will.
The bullet entered through the window there. Now where did it hit? The trajectory the bullet traveled will lead me to the shooter.
Protocol 10 will commence in 10 hours.
Is he still in there?
I think so. I can hear someone in there.
Keep that door shut, man. I don't want to go head-to-head with Batman.
You didn't say it was Batman.
I have been watching you, Batman, to see if you are ready.
What's stopping him going out the back?
There's a bat.
Yeah, Two-Face showed me. There's a basement. It's full of cells. There's some guy down there. And you didn't think to mention it till now? Sure he don't get out, okay?
Over here. He's not one of us, is he?
I saw him. He appeared out of nowhere. Took out everyone in the court.
At least the kitty cat got offed.
He saved her too, and took out the boss.
So what now? Batman and Catwoman are free, Two-Face is strung up, and we're stuck out here in the cold.
Yeah. Ever get the idea you picked the wrong side? You cold?
Of course I'm cold. It's like 10 below out here. Harley left us out.
Batman.
I'm at the church. It looks like Harley Quinn is inside.
That dreadful woman is no doubt setting a trap for you.
Don't worry, Alfred. Quinn never was too smart. I'll be okay.
Batman spotted.
Let the lady go, Bat Freak, or these people all get a bullet in their heads.
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get
Hold
blood
it
all
right
over
there!
my nice new outfit. What do you think, Batbrain? Like it? What am I saying? Of course you do. Who wouldn't? So anyway, here's the deal. Mr. J is really not up to a visit right now. He's not feeling himself. Well, actually, he was earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good, and that idiot doctor I sent from here didn't help. I've seen more smarts from these bozos. I've got to run, boys. If he tries anything funny, kill him!
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move, Batman. Just stay...
He's vanished. He disappeared.
They don't know where I am. Good. Let's keep it that way.
He's gonna get
Time
us.
to survey the room. Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed, 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy.
We need to get out of here.
He's gonna get us.
Batman, can you hear me?
That idiot thinks he's safe in the confessional. He's just made it easier for me to get in behind him.
Oh, man, I'm gonna die in here.
You're safe. Stay quiet. He's got a hostage. I can glide to the scaffolding above him without being seen, and take him down from there.
Come from anywhere.
Stay calm. Bat. Can you hear me? Get out of here. Leave now, or the bitch has a hole for
You'll be okay. Wait here. You don't... If I can get behind those 2 without being seen, I can take them both in one move. The room is secure. You're safe now.
Thank God. Yo, Batman! Thanks for the help! Okay, people, listen up. We're in control, not these men. I want this place locked down tight. All medical staff check supplies. Find out if anything's safe.
There's the gun. It looks like it's being controlled remotely by Joker.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... How long has it been? Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and oh, that's right. You left me to die. Now, you probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bombs. Hurry up now. Clock's ticking.
Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
Do you really think Batman blew up the church?
Yeah. And maybe it was the last one in. Next thing, it's on fire.
It doesn't sound like the kind of thing the Bat would do. Maybe it was a trap. Harlequin tricks Batman into going into the church, and then the Joker blows it up. Wouldn't that mean Harley got blown up too? You know what those two are like. The Joker probably thought it would be funny.
It would be.
I
the Bat doing here?
Welcome, inmates. You are now taking your first tentative steps towards a better world. A world of fun, mischief, and best of all, a world where the only person you need to answer to is yours truly.
What's the policy today?
Word is we shoot every sorry-ass loser that comes this way.
Okay. Wait a second. Doesn't Joker's PA say he takes anyone?
We do. Today, however,
Listen up, dumbasses, and listen carefully. As you know, Mr. J he's not himself. And the last thing he needs is any so-called superhero coming in here and stopping his recuperation.
Alfred, I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front door, sir?
Why didn't I think of that?
It was obviously too easy. Let's see. If all the other access routes are locked down, the only way in would be... No, it's suicide.
The main chimney. Okay, then.
How the hell are we supposed to get in there?
There's gotta be a way. How would Batman do it?